Hey, hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can take an idea and turn it into a mobile app in just a couple of minutes with Rook. So Rook is one of the platform that makes mobile development really simple with few prompts and spin up a working app that runs seamlessly in iOS, Android, or even on web. So today's demo, I'm going to build a chatbot, the AI chatbot that mobile friendly and instantly work in a iPhone and Android. And all he needs to do is like to scan the QR code and this app started running on your mobile. And before diving into, I already have a GitHub URL to start begin this project, and I pasted that. And we with couple of prompts and I started like configuring the entire app. And the best part of the group is you can publish your app straight away into the App Store and even into the Google Play Store. And with upgrade options, you can integrate it and build in a right app for your requirements. And you can link your GitHub repositories to sync changes, enable the backend APIs to connect your databases by managing the keys by keeping Git and manage everything with the simple toggles and starting any new project. It takes few clicks with the help of the AI and Grook handles a heavy lifting to them. And let me walk through the current app which I built it like this app comes with the layouts and image and color themes ready in that. And the backend, I integrated LiteLLM to connect with the OpenAI, and it gives me the a response layer I needed. And I can now test my custom chatbot inside the app. For example, I ask like how many hours in a strawberry, and instantly it responded three letters. And then I asked like tell me a bedtime story, and it generated a right one at the app. From here, you can clone this project, download the full code locally, and push it to the GitHub and keeping the customization. You can use a Expogo or Rook app, scan the QR code, instantly see your app running live. So it takes a couple of minutes to from your idea to turn into your mobile app and ready to play and test, even publish it. And thank you so much for watching, and I will keep bringing you more AI and mobile development content. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you in my next video. Thank you.